Hi, I'm Yitong Wang, and I will critically discuss the article, The Effects of the Enterprise Digital Transformation on Audit Efficiency, Evidence from China. This article is divided into four parts: introduction, critical discussion, conclusion, and references. The critical discussion is divided into the five parts: motivation, contribution, hypothesis building, conclusion, and consistency. First, let's move on to the part one, introduction. With the rapid development of 5G, AI, and cloud computing, digital transformation has become a key driving force for the healthy and rapid development of enterprises. And more enterprises are applying this technology, so it has become important to explore the impact of digital transformation on auditing in enterprises. This article critically analyzes the given article in the light of relevant literature and discusses it from the five aspects: motivation, contribution, hypothesis building, conclusion, and consistency. By doing so, this article not only enriches the academic understanding of the impact of the digital transformation on auditing, but also guides the auditing practice in adapting to the digital era to ensure that they remain relevant in the fast-changing digital environment. The next part is the critical discussion. We can see that the critical discussion is divided into the five parts. The first part is the motivation. In recent years, with the rapid development of the digital technologies, new forms and modes that meet the market's demands has emerged. And these technologies have pushed most companies toward digital transformation. The digital transformation of enterprises adapt to the trends of today's world and plays a significant role in social economic development. In his article, Peng shows that the digital transformation plays a big role in improving the financial performance of enterprises. So many enterprises will celebrate their digital transformation, and thus the audit industry should pay attention to the changes of enterprises about digital transformation. Currently, the existing digital transformation of enterprises may focus on audit quality, audit cost, and audit risk. From the perspective of audit quality, Yu Hao Zhang found that enterprise digital transformation promotes the improvement of audit quality, while Fang Fang showed that a U-shaped relationship between the enterprise digital transformation and audit quality in her latest article using a sample of Chinese listed companies. From the perspective of audit fees, Zhu shows that digital transformation can significantly increase the audit fees of financial reports, and from the perspective of audit risk, digital transformation of accounting firms reduce audit risk by enabling comprehensive data analysis. This paper captures the key core of auditing, audit efficiency, and explores the impact of the firm's digital transformation on it. Focusing on Chinese companies as a research sample, this paper examines the impact of the corporate digital transformation on audit efficiency. The study shows that the higher the degree enterprise digital transformation, the more serious the audit delay. The motivation of this paper is clear and significant. Through the study of the relationship between the enterprise digital transformation and audit efficiency can fill the current research gaps for digital auditing and provide new ideas for the development of auditing, which also has a great impact on the current academic field. The second part is contributions. The contributions of this part are as follows. First, is expand the research on the economic consequences of enterprise digital transformation, and this paper is based on the perspective of audit delay. Secondly, it enriches the literature on the factors affecting audit efficiency, which is of great importance. Third, this paper further examines the analysis of the competence of high technology enterprises and accounting firms, which provides empirical evidence for achieving higher audit efficiency. This research in this paper suggests that the digital transformation of firms exacerbate audit delays and lead to a decrease in audit efficiency. Analyzing the results of the study reveals that two main reasons. First, most enterprises in China are still in the initial stage of the digital transformation and lack mature experience, so they face many difficulties that are difficult to solve in a timely manner. Second, the ability of accounting firms to deal with the digital transformation of enterprises need to be improved, and the changes posed by new technology make it difficult for auditors to respond effectively. Further research found that the impact of enterprise digital transformation on reducing audit efficiency is more obvious in non-technology enterprises when audited by accounting firms that do not have digital expertise. Through empirical analysis, this paper dives into the influencing factors of corporate digital transformation and audit equality, and provide valuable experience for improving audit efficiency. It fills a gap in existing research by investigating the impact of digital transformation on audit efficiency on listed companies in China. This study provides us a new perspective to pay more attention to the impact of the digital transformation on audit practice and outcomes. Next, we are talking about hypothesis building. Firstly, it contrasts both positive and negative hypotheses. The first being that enterprise digital transformation can improve the audit efficiency by increasing the transparency of corporate information and by reducing strategic, operational, and front risks. Enterprise digital transformation has a positive impact on auditing. The second is that digital transformation increases system and increase the risk of operational uncertainty, thus reduce audit efficiency. This two-way hypothesis setting helps to fully understand the impact of digital transformation on auditing. However, the results of the article suggest that digital transformation actually reduces information transparency, which leads to the decrease in audit efficiency. In addition, a risk associated with audit efficiency. Besides, auditors will be faced with more different issues after the digital transformation of enterprises, which increase the difficulty for the auditors to interface with the business of the enterprises and requires more time and efforts, which in return reduce audit efficiency. In this paper, a shared list of companies in China's Shanghai and Shenzhen markets from 2021 and 2022 are used as initial data, and the data are processed through to analyze and to test. The paper draws conclusions and conducts additional analysis of the data from the aspects of high technology enterprises and the ability of accounting firms, and analyze the other factors that may affect the digital transformation. In addition, the data are analyzed in terms of high technology enterprises and accounting firms' capacity, and other factors may affect the impact of the digital transformation on audit efficiency are analyzed. This finding is consistent with the initial hypothesis that digital transformation has a negative impact on audit efficiency and provides empirical evidence to support this view. However, the sample data of the article are all taken from China, which have cultural differences, and China's policies are significantly different from those of other countries. So the results of the study are not very conformative for other countries and regions. The second point is about audit quality. China's auditing standards, auditing rulers, and auditing professional may differ from other countries, and these differences may affect the measurement and assessment of audit efficiency. The third part is about data quality. Although China is developing rapidly and data transparency is improving, there are still gaps for the improvement compared with some developed countries, and the level of data equality affects the depth and breadth of the study. Although the study provides important role in understanding the impact of the corporate digital transformation on audit efficiency. It should be carefully considered when applying the report to other countries and regions. Its further research could consider cross-country companies to explore the impact of digital transformation on audit efficiency in different countries and regions, as well as the culture and economic factors behind it to provide a more comprehensive understanding. The last one is consistency. In Fang studies on corporate digital transformation and audit equality found a U-shaped relationship between the corporate digital transformation and audit quality. Using a Vietnam region as a sample, Tran collected data by sending questionnaire to auditors and analyze and process the survey data use SPSS, concluding that the digital transformation changes will have a positive impact. AI designed and used questionnaires as a material of the study with Georgian CPAs as a study sample. There is a direct relationship between the use of DA and the efficiency of the audit reports, which means that the more digital, the more DA is used, the more effective the audit report is. So different articles have come up with different results, but most of literature still shows that digital transformation of companies has a positive impact on audit efficiency. There are many reasons for the outcome. The fourth difference is research design. Each article has used different research design and methodology. The article collects data from the list companies in China for the study, while Tran used a questionnaire in his article. Measurement of audit efficiency is also considered. This article used audit delays as a measurement of audit efficiency, which is defined as the number of days from the end of the accounting period to the date of the audit report, and the predict value of the probability of a non-stand audit opinion as a measurement of audit quality in Fang's article. Different metrics may reveal the impact of digital transformation on different aspects of the audit efficiency. Second, the sample is different. The samples are different. The article analyzed the sample of Chinese companies, while Tran take Vietnam as a study, and AI investigate Georgia. Different countries have different fundamentals, and different industries will differ in terms of the context and the speed of digital transformation of their businesses. Thirdly, the issue of bias. There may be unobserved variables in the study that affect both digital transformation and audit efficiency, leading to bias. Some studies may fail to adequately control for all the relevant variables, leading to bias conclusions. The last part is the conclusion. In conclusion, this article critically analyze the impact of digital transformation on auditing in enterprises, providing valuable insights into the increasingly important area. The motivation behind the study is clear, driven by the rapid adoption of the digital technologies by enterprises and the need for the auditing practice to adapt accordingly. Through a thorough examination of the relevant literature, the article identified key factors such as audit equality, audit fees, and audit risk, shedding light on the multifaceted relationship between digital transformation and audit efficiency. The last part is the references. This is the end of my speech. Thank you.